Well, welcome to week 11. It's the peer review Friday, and the final submissions are due Sunday. So basically, this is the same kind of peer review we did for Project 1. And Friday, peer review is due. No late peer reviews under any circumstances because people need time to turn this around. If you submitted a draft, you should have already received peer review feedback from me, or review feedback from me. Okay, here's why we do it. Again, watch the video, read the section on peer review and peer and professional review. Find somebody, download their work to work on. Here's how you name their file. Remember, it's your responsibility to do peer review, so do not wait for somebody in your writing circle to have it. If they're not there, if your partner doesn't submit anything in time, then find somebody else from outside. Here's the questions in the discussion box. You're going to look at these questions and provide answers to them. You're going to submit your feedback. You're going to be submitting your feedback here. The deadlines have changed. Friday, the peer review is due. There's no extensions or anything, no grace period. The final polished work is due Sunday at 11:59. And here are just suggestions on what to do and how to do it. Bye.